so loud. Oh my god, it's like ringing. You know what? Let's just get to it. Okay, so hello. We're gonna talk about ghost notes today. So what is ghost? It is a common technique that real drummers use all the time. Alright, here we go. Problem. You're listening to a lot of acoustic drummers to get ideas for how to program more realistic drum parts, and you keep hearing very quiet sounds in between what are the clearly important hits. These are barely audible but still somehow sound intentional, and most importantly, they seem to make the groove work better. What are these sounds and how can you use them in your own music? Electronic music, they have all the same velocity, they don't have much variation, just stay the same and will get boring very soon. So this is the part that we can actually use some technique called ghost notes. Solution. Ghost notes are extremely quiet notes, normally played on the snare drum, that help to fill in the space between the prominent notes in the pattern. Ghost notes are nearly, but not completely, silent and are generally played as quietly as possible. Although this varies in practice and between genres. For example, here's a basic one-bar rock drum pattern played without the ghost notes. Now we're gonna hear the different version with the drummer might play the pattern like this. By the way, I programmed all of them for you. You're welcome. The additional low velocity snare notes on the second and third 16ths of beats 1 and 3 help to propel the musical time forward. Another nice use of ghost notes is for adding very quick gestures that lead into or anticipate important structural points in the groove, such as the downbeats. Here's my example. I always try to make a quick example towards the end of the video of my take on the subject, because I truly believe you only fully learn a new thing by practicing it. Even though it might not be a full complete track, obviously the track that I'm about to, it's not even a track, it's the loop, it's a 2-bar loop, I believe, right, that I'm about to show you guys is not done at all. Don't know why the pause, but let's continue. Even though it's not done, but it gives me a very strong idea where I want the track to go. And I really enjoyed this week's task. For a long time I wanted to make stuff blend with ghost notes, but before I really tried to listen to like how drummer do it, like really just by listening. It's not easy, but because of the book really explained it so well, so now I got it. And if you guys follow the step, you guys can do the same thing. Alright, without further ado, please enjoy my little creation.
that's it for the week. Bye.